Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a look at this Redarc Industrial Pure Sine Wave 1000 watt inverter. This 1000 watt inverter is going to let you use appliances and devices wherever the road may take you. This 12 volt inverter changes your DC power output from your RV batteries into AC power, so you can plug in tools and appliances using Pure Sine Wave technology. It replicates your household AC power, giving you clean power with low distortion, making it safe and efficient and perfect for your more sensitive electronics like your HDTVs and your computers. Plus, the inverter can generate 1,750 starting watts and 1,000 running watts, which is going to be a great fit for small appliances and electronics. Now, taking a look at our front panel first, I wanted to show you the functions that we have here. First, we do have our power switch that's going to allow you to turn your inverter on and off. And I'm just going to mention here that this the lower setting on this switch is for an optional remote, and I will talk about that in the next few minutes. Next, we have our LED status lights that will indicate input voltage levels, output load level, and fault conditions. And then we have right here at the center the two GFCI outlets for your AC loads. And then we have a function switch here that's going to let you select different frequencies. And this has frequencies from 50 hertz and 60 hertz. And this switch can also turn the power saver on and off. Speaking of power saver, we have a power saving adjustment dial right there that's going to set the input and wake up thresholds for the power saver. We have a TRC port, also known as the RJ45. And then on the rear side here, we have our positive and negative DC input terminals that are going to connect to your batteries, and then a port for a flush mount remote, and then we have our remote control green terminal, and then our chassis ground. Now, this system includes a number of built-in safety features to protect your RV's electrical system. It offers protection from over and under voltage, overloading, and overcurrent. The inverter also uses a heat sink process to protect from extreme temperatures, and an internal cooling fan is going to remove excess heat from the unit. For additional safety, installing a fuse between the battery bank and the inverter will protect your equipment from power surges. Now, this again has a running or rated power output of 1,000 watts and a starting surge power output of 1,750 watts. Regarding the voltage, the maximum power is 12 volts DC, and the input is 10.5 to 16.5 VDC, and then the output is 100 to 120 VAC, and this has an operating temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and then a storage temperature range from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. So this inverter weighs a little over 7 pounds. And let me go ahead and give you some overall measurements so you can be confident that this is going to work for you. So I'm going to be measuring the length first, and I'm going to be including our terminals here. So the overall length, we are sitting pretty close to, pretty close to 14 5/8 inches long overall. And then looking at the width, it's probably going to be the best to just flip this in this direction here. Move that up there a little more forward so you can see. I'm going to use my ruler here to line this up here for you. So the overall width, we are sitting almost 8 inches, probably right at around 7 3/4 inches overall on that. Let's make it 7 7/8 inches wide, it looks like. And then the overall height, and lining this up here for you. Looks like we are sitting pretty close to about 3 1/4 inches tall. Now I did measure the mounting holes earlier before our time together, and so measuring lengthwise first from center to center, I came up with 7 3/4 inches long, again from center to center, and then width, again from center to center, I was sitting right at 7 1/2 inches. Now this inverter is going to mount to the inside of your RV in a dry location with ventilation, and it should be installed in close proximity to your battery bank, but not in the same compartment. The DC terminals are wired to the battery bank, and as you can see here, ring terminals are included, along with a great set of instructions to make sure that you have this installed correctly. And to go over the features that we touched on, that instruction manual obviously will go in a little more detail on the features that this inverter provides. Now, I did mention that a remote is available for the Redarc Pure Sine Wave inverters, and on your screen I am including our item number to that remote if you are interested, and you would just take that item number and put it in the search field of our website, and it would take you to that remote. Also, I want to mention that this inverter is compatible with the Redarc RedVision vehicle management system, which allows you to control multiple onboard devices in your RV. So you can turn lights, your inverter, and water pumps and electrical steps on and off. It also gives you the ability to monitor water levels and temperatures. So again, if that's something you are interested in, I am also including that item number on your screen. Well, that's going to conclude our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.